Hello dear friends, I am Dr. Ajit Patangia, a USA-educated DDS-MS dentist worked abroad before in the coach. Like you, I am likewise attempting to learn great English and need to share consistently with you. Let's get started. Many times we know what to say but due to hesitation, we don't speak up. This can be frustrating because it leaves us feeling unheard and unseen. Maybe we are worried about our English speaking skills. We may feel like we are not good enough to have a conversation in English. Luckily for you, there are ways to overcome this hesitation and start speaking. Tip number 1, the first is to practice speaking in English as often as possible. This can be with friends, family, or classmates. The more you speak, the more comfortable you will become. Tip number 2, additionally, try watching English movies or TV shows, web series to improve your listening comprehension and pronunciation. Tip number 3, finally, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language, and the important thing is to learn from them and keep practicing. With time and practice, you will overcome your hesitation of speaking in English. You can even join relevant groups and find a speaking partner and practice daily. You can join our public speaking challenge group for practice. Some useful phrases. 1. Worth its weight in gold, very valuable. 2. Spick and span, very neat and clean. 3. On the face of it, what appears on the surface. 4. To have cold feet, to be too frightened to do something. Frightened, afraid, scared, terrified. I hope you've learned something from today's lesson. That's it for now. Please subscribe my channel if you want to learn good English with me. Good day. Thank you.